In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Grafana Slack notifications. If you want Grafana alerts to appear directly in Slack, this is a great way to make sure your team sees important infrastructure or application issues right away, instead of waiting for someone to notice them on a dashboard. In this walkthrough, we'll connect Grafana's unified alerting system to Slack using an incoming webhook, which is the standard and most reliable setup. Before you begin, make sure you have administrator access to your Grafana instance, ideally version 9 or newer, and the right permissions to configure an app in your Slack workspace. First, open your browser and go to the Slack app management page. From there, create a new app from scratch and give it a clear name that helps you identify its purpose. Once the app is created, look in the left side menu for incoming webhooks and open that section. Turn incoming webhooks on, then scroll down and choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Select the Slack channel where you want alerts to be delivered, approve the request, and then copy the webhook URL that Slack generates for you. Keep that URL handy because you'll paste it into Grafana in the next step. Now switch over to your Grafana dashboard and log in. On the left-hand sidebar, open the alerting section, then go to Contact Points. In the top right area, click Add Contact Point to create a new notification destination. In the contact point settings, enter a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Then choose Slack as the contact point type. If your setup requires more manual control, you can also use the webhook option, but for most people, the Slack option is the easiest choice. In the webhook URL field, paste the Slack webhook URL you copied earlier. If you want, you can also expand the optional Slack settings and customize how the notification appears, such as changing the display name or icon. After that, use the test option to send a test notification. This is an important step because it confirms that Grafana and Slack are communicating properly. Check your Slack channel to make sure the test message arrives, then go back to Grafana and save the contact